Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Screen is visible to
Good
all.
morning, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In today's lecture, we are going to start our next chapter, sedative and hypnotic, in second unit, drugs acting on central nervous system, in which we are going to start next chapter, sedative and hypnotic, in which we study firstly what is sedative, hypnotics, their classification, then in their classes, barbiturate poisoning, their pharmacokinetic, that is absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion, then their side effects and treatment. So here we are going to start from definition or what is sedative and hypnotic. Screen is visible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
हॅलो मॅम.
Yes.
मॅम दिव्या जाधव ट्राय करते पण ती कनेक्ट होत नाही.
Okay. So sedatives, these are the pharmacological agents which when administered, they relieve anxiety, stress, tension by producing drowsiness. Means sedatives are the agents. They can, when they are administered, they relieve. Relieve means to remove anxiety, stress and tension. Anxiety, it is feeling of worry or feeling of worry or nervousness means anxiety. When we administer the pharmacological agent like sedative, they remove or they relieve the anxiety, stress, tension by producing drowsiness. Drowsiness means feeling of being sleepiness. Sleeping condition produce करतात. In Marathi, drowsiness means गुंगी येणे. So sedatives are the pharmacological agent when they are administered, they relieve or they remove anxiety, stress, tension by producing drowsiness condition. Drowsiness means feeling of being sleepiness, where anxiety means nervousness or feeling of worry. Then hypnotics. These are the pharmacological agent. When they are administered, they produce a sleep resembling to natural sleep. Resembling means same. जशी natural sleep असते, like that. ज्यावेळेस आपण hypnotic agent administered करू, then they produce a sleep which is resembling to natural sleep, similar to natural sleep. They are known as hypnotic. Then sedative and hypnotic drugs used to reduce tension, anxiety and produces a calm. Calm means peace, shantata. That is sedative effect, that is drowsiness, or to induce the sleep, that is hypnotic effect. Means sedative drug gives calming condition or sedative effect, and hypnotic drugs, they produce a sleep resembling to natural sleep. Also, they show hypnotic effect. This is about sedative and hypnotic. Then next, classification of sedative and hypnotic drugs. Firstly, all of you understand what is sedative and what is hypnotic?
Yes, madam.
Yes, ma'am.
Hypnotics produces sleep resembling to natural sleep. Sedative, they relieve the anxiety, tension and stress. Anxiety means feeling of nervousness, feeling of worry, and produces drowsiness. Drowsiness is sleepy condition, feeling of sleepiness. So classification of sedative and hypnotic. Next point. There are two classes. First one is barbiturate, second one non-barbiturate. So in barbiturate, again 4 classes. Long acting barbiturate, intermediate acting barbiturate, short acting barbiturate and ultra short acting barbiturate. In which first one, long acting barbiturate, their example is phenobarbital, and this classification is depending upon their duration of action. Means this sedative and hypnotic drug having duration of action From their duration of action, this classification is as follows. First one, barbiturate, in which 4 classes, in which first long acting, their example phenobarbital. In long acting barbiturate, their duration of sleep is 8 hours or more than 8 hours. Then second class intermediate. Then second class intermediate acting, their duration of sleep is 4 to 8 hours, and their examples are amylobarbital, butobarbital. Then third one, short acting barbiturates. Their example hexobarbital and secobarbital. Duration of sleep is less than 4 hours. Then last one class is ultra short acting barbiturate. Their duration of this ultra short acting sedative hypnotic agents is very short duration of action. Their examples are thiopentone and K-methyl. Then second class of sedative and hypnotic is non-barbiturate. There in which benzodiazepine categories example diazepam, flurazepam, nitrazepam, lorazepam. These are the flurazepams. These are the examples of benzodiazepine in the non-barbiturate. This is classification of sedative and hypnotic agent. There are main 2 classes in which barbiturate and non-barbiturate. In barbiturate again 4 classes, and in non-barbiturate there is benzodiazepine category agent. The examples are diazepam, flurazepam, lorazepam, nitrazepam. Then next point is all of you understand classification.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
How many classes of sedative and hypnotic?
2 types.
two types.
Non-barbiturates.
Classification is
Barbiturates
based
and
on,
non-barbiturates.
and the classification of sedative and hypnotic is based on which point? Based on their duration of sleep. Okay, in which long acting having duration of sleep is 8 hours or more than 8 hours. Intermediate acting 4 to 8 hours. Sound is audible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then short acting duration of sleep is less than 4 hours, and ultra short acting here very short time of the duration of sleep. Then next point is pharmacology of barbiturate. Screen is visible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Pharmacology of barbiturate, in which first one, sedation action. Sedations means they produce sedative effect, that is drowsiness. When we are given small amount of barbiturate or small dose of barbiturate, which is effective in reducing the restlessness, irritability and nervousness. If you are given small dose of barbiturate drug, that is sedative and hypnotic agent, they produces effect like they reduces the restlessness. Restless means inability to relax. Then also they reduces irritability and also nervousness. That is pharmacology of barbiturate, in which first point sedation, in which you have to say or write when we are given small amount or small dose of barbiturate, it is effective to reduce irritability, nervousness and restlessness. Then second one is pharmacological action is hypnosis. After the administration of this barbiturate, sedative hypnotic agent, they depresses to the CNS, they depresses to central nervous system and produces sleep, which is resembling to natural sleep. That is same to the natural sleep, which is produced by this barbiturate and characterized by hangover. Hangover means severe headache. In hypnosis, in the pharmacology of barbiturate, second point hypnosis, in which when we administered sedative and hypnotic agent barbiturate, then it depresses to the central nervous system and produces sleep, which is resembling to natural sleep and which is characterized by hangover effect. Hangover effect means there is severe headache. Then third one is anti-epileptic. Anti-epileptic means firstly, these are the agent, pharmacological agent. They are used to treat epilepsy. Anti-epileptic agent. This separate chapter we have to study in our next lecture. Before that, in the pharmacology of barbiturate, their effect, their pharmacology or their action is anti-epileptic, means it is effective to control the convulsions and epilepsy. Means convulsions and epilepsy control करतात. Epilepsy, it is a neurological disorder of brain or cerebra. So this disorder or this epilepsy is controlled after the administration of barbiturate, means barbiturate having little more effect to show or act as anti-epileptic agent to control the convulsions and epilepsy.
हॅलो मॅम, ती दिव्या जाधव नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लेम मुळे लेफ्ट झाली, तिला जॉईन करा की.
Then next on respiration. On respiration, how the barbiturate act or how its pharmacology. So in the respiration, barbiturate abolished the respiration controlled drive, neurogenic chemicals, hypoxic drive. That is, barbiturate produces depression. Abolish means to stop. Barbiturate stop the respiration controlled drive. Means जे respiration controlled centers आहेत, they abolished by barbiturate. That is, barbiturate produces. Abolish means to stop the respiratory controlled centers, neurogenic chemicals and hypoxic drive. This is controlled by barbiturate. So barbiturate produces respiratory depression effect. Then next one on CVS. CVS, it is cardiovascular system. Then barbiturate produces fall in blood pressure and also decrease in heart rate. Fall in blood pressure is known as screen is visible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fall in blood pressure BP decreased is termed as
Hypotension.
Hypotension.
okay, and decrease in heart rate, it is termed as
Bradycardia.
Bradycardia.
so barbiturate produces fall in the blood pressure and decreases the heart rate. Then on kidney, barbiturate decreases urinary output and it causes oliguria. Oliguria means it is urine output is less than normal or production of abnormally small amount of urine. Oliguria means जे normal urine output आहे त्याच्यापेक्षा less होणं, that is urine output is less than the normal or production of urine is abnormally in small amount. So this is all about the pharmacology of barbiturate, in which sedative factor, sedation means small dose is effective to reducing restlessness, irritability, nervousness. Hypnosis means produces sleep resembling to natural sleep and which is characterized by hangover effect. Anti-epileptic means control the epilepsy and convulsion. On respiration, they abolish the respiratory centers or respiratory controller drives and produces respiratory depression. On CVS, there is fall in BP, that is hypotension and bradycardia, decrease in heart rate. And last one on kidney, there is oliguria effect is observed, that is barbiturate decreases urinary output. The excretion आहे, excretion rate decrease करतात, that is production of urine is abnormally in small amount, that is oliguria. This is pharmacology of barbiturate. Then all of you understand pharmacology.
Yes, ma'am.
Next,
Yes, ma'am.
the next point, pharmacokinetic of barbiturate. What is mean by pharmacokinetic?
Study of ADM.
DME.
Study of ADM.
Roll number 64. What is pharmacology? What is pharmacokinetic? On last lecture, you don't tell answer or you are not able to tell answer of pharmacology, definition and pharmacokinetic. Now tell me what is pharmacokinetic. 64, Munde. Sound is audible to all?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
64, are you there?
Yes, madam.
What is pharmacokinetic? Okay, define pharmacology. Roll number 64, I am talking with you. Okay, pharmacokinetic. Anyone can tell the definition of pharmacokinetic?
Pharmacokinetic means study of ADME.
Okay, it is branch of
What
pharmacology which deals with study of absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion of drug. Here we see the pharmacology of barbiturate. Then in which absorption, rapid oral absorption, when it is given, barbiturate given by orally, there is rapid oral absorption. When it is given by parentally, IM, through intramuscular route, there is necrosis is observed. Then distribution, wide distribution means barbiturate get widely distributed in whole body. Wide distribution occur highly lipid soluble drug or drugs having high lipid solubility. Then metabolism, they are metabolized by liver through oxidation and conjugation reaction. Do you remember we studied metabolism in which phase 1 and phase 2? In phase 1, oxidation, reduction and hydrolysis, and in phase 2, conjugation, methylation, these phases in which barbiturate metabolized by liver through phase 1st oxidation and in phase 2nd conjugation reaction. Then do you remember phases of metabolism? There are two
Yes,
phases.
ma'am.
Okay. Then excretion. Excretion means elimination process, that is removal of any
Drugs.
substance from the body. Excretion of barbiturate through the kidney. This is ADME, that is pharmacokinetic of barbiturate. Pharmacokinetic means study of absorption, distribution, metabolism and excretion of that drug. Roll number 64. Now you can tell what is pharmacokinetic. Otherwise, we stop here and again started from our first unit. Am I audible to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Rule number 64. Define pharmacology or define pharmacokinetic. I don't want proper definition. Tell whatever you understand about pharmacology and pharmacokinetic. तुम्हाला जसं समजलंय तसे सांगा डेफिनेशन.
फार्मॅकोकायनेटिक हॉट बॉडी डस टू ड्रग आणि फार्मॅकोडायनॅमिक हॉट ड्रग डस टू द बॉडी.
Not roll number 33, sorry 64 roll number. I want answer from roll number 64. Okay, tell me anything about our subject. What is your problem? समजत नाही का तुम्हाला? Okay, next point in sedative and hypnotic is side effects of barbiturates. Screen is visible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Side effects of barbiturate, in which first one oliguria, second drowsiness, hypotension, skin rashes, drug dependence, and megaloblastic anemia. Oliguria, this side effects from pharmacology of barbiturate. Oliguria, this is effect on kidney, right? Yes or no? Oliguria kidneyच्या pharmacology on kidney, effect on kidney. इथे डिस्कस केलं ना आपण?
Yes, ma'am. Reduce excretion.
That is urine output is less. Side effect of barbiturate, first one oliguria means output of urine is less. That is abnormal production of urine in small amount. Then drowsiness. Drowsiness means feeling of sleepiness. That is calming effect. Gungi yene. Then hypotension, that is decrease in blood pressure. This one also discussed in pharmacology of barbiturate on serious, right? Fall in BP.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then skin rashes. Then drug dependence and megaloblastic anemia. What is anemia? Anemia. It is disorder of
Oxygen. Decrease of
Decrease the oxygen.
decreased oxygen carrying capacity of hemoglobin in the blood. Then megaloblastic anemia. These are the side effects of barbiturate. Then next, therapeutic uses. It is used as sedative and hypnotic agent. You know definition of sedative. These are the pharmacological agent. They relieve anxiety, stress, tension, and produces drowsiness. Hypnotic, they produces sleep resembling to natural sleep. Pre-anesthetic agent. On our last lecture, we see pre-anesthetic agent. These are the agent given prior the anesthetic agent to make the anesthesia more safe for the patient. Then general anesthetic. They produces reversible loss of consciousness in whole body. Then analeptics. Another name for analeptics.
for CNS stimulant.
CNS stimulant.
Stimulant.
Except roll number 30. बाकीच्यांना समजलेले नाही. Analeptics. Another name for analeptic.
CNS stimulant.
फक्त 3 लोकांना माहिती आहे CNS stimulants are analeptics. बाकीचे okay, analeptics are CNS stimulant. Then last one in psychiatric disorders like anxiety and hysteria. Hysteria, it is uncontrolled emotions or uncontrolled excitement. In this disorder, barbiturate is used. These are the therapeutic uses of barbiturate. that is as a sedative and hypnotic, as a pre-anesthetic agent, general anesthetic and analeptics, that is CNS stimulant, and in psychiatric disorders like anxiety and hysteria. Actually, ह्या pre-anesthetic medications, general anesthetic, analeptics हे झालंय. तुम्ही डेफिनेशन सांगायला पाहिजे होत्या. तुम्ही ऑथर नेम सांगे नाही, डेफिनेशन कधी सांगणार? Then preparations of barbiturate or sedative hypnotic category agents. Screen is visible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So phenobarbital, in which firstly drug, then their trade name and dose. First one phenobarbital. कोणत्या कॅटेगरी मध्ये आहे?
बार्बिटन कॅटेगरी मध्ये, बार्बिच्युरेट कॅटेगरी मध्ये येतो.
Barbiturate category. Long acting barbiturate, phenobarbital. This classification is important for MCQ. Particular, suppose ultra short acting barbiturate. Their examples. तुम्ही confuse होऊन phenobarbital असं करायचं नाही. Long acting phenobarbital, hexacecobarbital are short acting. Particular, you have to remember particular example with their proper class. So phenobarbital, their trade name Gardinel, means phenobarbital content असणारे जे प्रिपरेशन्स आहेत ते मेडिकल मध्ये गार्डिनेल ह्या ट्रेड नेम नी अवेलेबल असतात. देन डोस 30 to 60 mg टॅबलेट ओरली. Then butobarbital, their trade name is Soniril 100 mg tablet orally. Amylobarbital, Amital 60 mg tablet orally. This is preparation of sedative and hypnotic containing drugs, phenobarbital, butobarbital and amylobarbital. This one also asked for MCQ, trade names, also dose. Then next, barbiturate, after the pharmacology, pharmacokinetic side effect and uses of barbiturate. Next point is barbiturate poisoning. Screen is visible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Barbiturate poisoning, causes of barbiturate poisoning. Firstly, roll number 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the causes of barbiturate poisoning.
Causes first, drug automatism. Second, suicidal intention. Third, accidental overdose by drug addict. Symptoms, marked excitement. Second, respiratory failure. Third, pulmonary edema. Fourth, renal failure. Five, cardiac irregularities.
So, firstly, barbiturate poisoning. Why it is occur? If there is overdose of barbiturate, or these are the causes, means reasons of how the barbiturate observed. Then causes, in which first one, drug automatism, suicidal intentions and accidental overdose by drug addict. First one, drug automatism, in which absence of intention of self poisoning, म्हणजे there is no intention to self poisoning, automatically, or एखाद्या पर्सन ची, इंडिव्हिज्युअल ची टेंडन्सी अशी होते की टू टेक ड्रग मोर अँड मोर, or sometime the person forgetting ki we are already taken drug, अगोदर ड्रग घेतलाय, this forgetting and again or repeated administration of drug, that is drug automatism, or absence of intention of self poisoning, or amnesia. Amnesia means loss of memory, means तुम्ही ड्रग barbiturate ड्रग घेतलाय, हे forgetting the person, विसरणे, आणि overdose of drug होणे, repeated administration of drug, that is drug automatism. This first cause of barbiturate poisoning. Then second, accidental suicidal intention means deliberately suicidal intention ni barbiturate चा overdose घेणे, that is suicidal intention. Then accidental overdose by drug addict. Addict means habitual addiction of this drug. Means any individual is fully addicted. Habitual means सवय होऊन जाते, addict होऊन जातं to administer this drug more and more. That is accidental overdose by drug addict. Sometimes it is deliberately or sometimes accidentally. These are the causes of barbiturate poisoning. First one, drug automatism, accidental overdose by drug addict, suicidal intention. Then symptoms means barbiturate occur either deliberate administration or overdose of drug or accidentally. Then symptoms of barbiturate poisoning. The barbiturate poisoning झालं तर which symptoms are observed? First one, marked excitement. Excitement increase होते. Then marked excitement. Second, respiratory failure. Third one, pulmonary edema. Fourth, renal failure. Cardiac irregularities. Cardiac irregularities means heartच्या function मध्ये irregularities. Renal failure, kidney fail होणं. Another name for kidney is
Renal.
Renal.
then pulmonary edema. It is related to which system in our body? Pulmonary edema. It is disorder of which system? Serious, digestive, respiratory. Which system? Urinary, pulmonary edema.
Digestive related.
Yes. Which system of body?
lungs से related.
That is respiratory. Respiratory system. Pulmonary edema means excessive fluid are secreted or present in the lung, which causes pulmonary edema. Lungs were excessive fluid secretion झालं. Of there is presence of excessive fluid in the lung, which causes pulmonary edema. Then respiratory failure and marked excitement. These are the symptoms of barbiturate poisoning. Then next, treatment of barbiturate poisoning. Screen is visible to all.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Barbiturate poisoning. जर overdose झाला or this causes, because of this, suppose barbiturate poisoning झाला, then what is, how it is cured or what is treatment for it? In this point, first one, hospitalization and gastric cleavage, in which gastric cleavage means there is stomach cleaning, means cleaning out the content in the stomach or remove the toxic substances in the stomach. Gastric cleavage करायचं means एक liquid preparation द्यायचं. By that there is remove of toxic substance. Barbiturate चा जो overdose झालाय, which is removed by gastric cleavage, that is removing of this gastric content, cleaning out the gastric content in the stomach. Rule number 30, mute yourself. In which firstly, if the patient is conscious, जर का तो patient conscious असेल, if within 4 hours after the administration, barbiturate poisoning झाल्यानंतर within the 4 hours, जर का तो patient conscious असेल, then it get hospitalized and vomiting can be induced with the syrup of ipecac or concentrated salt solution. म्हणजे त्या पेशंटला कॉन्सन्ट्रेटेड साल्ट सोल्युशन द्यायचं आहे किंवा इपिकॅक जी सिरप आहे ती सिरप द्यायची आहे. देअरफॉर ओमेटिंग प्रोड्यूस होईल. जर ओमेटिंग झालं, जे बार्बिट्युरेटचा ओव्हरडोस झालाय, थ्रू ओमेटिंग स्टमच गेट स्टमच मध्ये जे टॉक्सिक सबस्टन्स आहे म्हणजे एक्स्ट्रा बार्बिट्रेट आहे थ्रू द ओमेटिंग क्लिनिंग ऑफ स्टमच इज अकर. सो दिस इज फर्स्ट वन. हॉस्पिटलायझेशन इफ पेशंट इज कॉन्शियस. पेशंट अनकॉन्शियस असेल तर आपण इपिकॅक किंवा कॉन्सन्ट्रेटेड साल्ट सोल्युशन देऊ शकतो का? येस और नो?
No.
If
No, ma'am.
patient is unconscious means
बेशुद्ध.
जर पेशंट अनकॉन्शियस असेल तर आपण इपिकॅक और कॉन्सन्ट्रेटेड साल्ट सोल्युशन हे देऊ शकत नाही. दॅट इज वॉमिटिंग प्रोड्यूस करत नाही. So therefore in hospitalization gastric lavage, first one point, if the patient is conscious, if within the 4 hours after the barbiturate poisoning, then patient gets hospitalized and induce the vomiting by given syrup, ipecac and concentrated salt solution. आणि जर का पेशंट अनकॉन्शियस असेल then stomach wash, that is cleaning out the content in the stomach wash करायचं unconscious patient असेल तर, that is removal of gastric content from the stomach. This is first point. Then second, endotracheal intubation. माहिती आहे endotracheal intubation? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
हर्टेच्या लेअर वरच काय?
एंडोट्रॅकियल इंट्युबेशन मध्ये फ्लेक्झिबल प्लास्टिकची एक पाईप असते ती नोजच्या इन बिटवीन टू नोज इन्सर्ट केलेली असते टू मेंटेन द एअरवे और टू गिव्ह द ऑक्सिजन टू दिस पेशंट. पाहिलं असेल तुम्ही
Yes, ma'am.
एंडोट्रॅकियल इंट्युबेशन म्हणजे फ्लेक्झिबल एक प्लास्टिकची पाईप असते इन बिटवीन द टू नोज टू मेंटेन द एअरवे म्हणजे ऑक्सिजन प्रोव्हाइड करण्यासाठी. सम सर्जरी मध्ये किंवा एनी मेजर सिरियस ऍक्सिडेंट मध्ये एंडोट्रॅकियल इंट्युबेशन तुम्ही पाहिलंय?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so endotracheal intubation in which if the respiration is slightly affected, oxygen can be given by nasal catheters. म्हणजे त्या ट्यूबच्या थ्रू nasal कॅथेटरच्या थ्रू जर का रेस्पिरेशन अफेक्ट झालं असेल, प्रॉपर रेस्पिरेशन झालं नसेल, व्हेंटिलेटर्स माहिती आहेत?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, their purpose is to provide the oxygen. If there is respiration is slightly affected, then endotracheal intubation is used. Endotracheal intubation is advised if patient is showing depressed cuff laryngeal reflexes. Means जे laryngeal reflexes आहेत, cuff laryngeal reflexes रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टीमच्या रिलेटेड जर का ते डिप्रेस झाले असतील एंडोट्रॅकियल इंट्युबेशन ऍडवाइस केलं जातं आफ्टर or to remove the secretion. Or to remove the secretion. Or when spontaneous respiration is inadequate. The respiration here proper होत नसेल, inadequate असेल. At that time, this endotracheal intubation is advised. If when endotracheal intubation advised, when there is inadequate respiration, depress the cuff laryngeal reflexes and to remove the secretions. Then third one point, forced diuresis, in which diuretics drugs are given. What is diuretic?
Increase the level of urine
Please flow of urine.
flow.
They increase the flow of urine. So in forced diuresis, diuretics like mannitol and furosemide are used to increase the urinary excretion of barbiturate. Means excretion through urine output increase केला तरी barbiturate poisoning slow down होतं. Therefore in their treatment आपण diuretics पण देऊ शकतो. Their examples mannitol and furosemide. Then if the volume is collected after the 24 hours of forced diuresis, 10 to 12 liter is considered as satisfactory diuresis. म्हणजे excessive urination occur करण्यासाठी these diuretics are used, in which mannitol is given 100 ml of 20% of the solution, and second one furosemide, which act as more potent diuresis. Diuresis means excessive production of urine. So furosemide is given in 20 mg with 500 ml of 1 to 2% of sodium bicarbonate. In diuresis, we use two diuretics. कोणते दोन diuretics use करतोय? Which diuretics are used in forced diuresis? Sound is audible to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
आता तरी सांगितलेत mannitol and furosemide. These both diuretics are used to increase the urinary output, in which urine mannitol is 100 ml of 20% of the solution, and furosemide 20 mg with 500 ml of 1 to 2% of sodium bicarbonate. Then next, antibiotics, prophylactic antibiotics. What is antibiotics? Antibiotics कोणते agents असतात? What is definition of antibiotics?
Kill or prevent the growth of microbes.
To kill or prevent the growth of microorganism.
Yeah.
These are the agent, one in which one stop the or kill another microorganism. Growth of microorganism stop करते antibiotic. So to prevent the infection, antibiotics are used only in cases of tracheotomy or catheterization. Prophylactic antibiotic हे कधी दिले जातात? जर barbiturate poisoning झाली असेल and tracheotomy, that is endotracheal intubation सारखं, to provide the air passage, that is like ventilator. Breathing जी आहे ती normal breathing ठेवण्यासाठी ज्यावेळेस tracheotomy or ventilator use केले जातात, at that time prophylactic antibiotics are also used. Then next one, administration of IV fluids. IV fluids means
Intravenous
Intravenous.
fluid.
administration of intravenous fluid. As during the treatment, forced diuresis is advised that may result dehydration. म्हणजे in the treatment of barbiturate poisoning, third point आपण forced diuresis हे पण treatment देऊ शकतोय. When we are given forced diuresis treatment, their result is dehydration. Dehydration means loss of water. So in order to rehydrate the patient, त्या patientला again to maintain their water balance or to rehydrate that patient, administration of IV fluid is necessary. समजतंय?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Forced diuresis मध्ये काय होतं? Dehydration होतं. That is removal of water or loss of water. So this dehydration is maintained or to rehydrate to this patient by administration of IV fluids. Then peritoneal dialysis, to promoting the excretion of barbiturate. Peritoneal dialysis हे ट्रीटमेंट आहे, याच्यामध्ये excretion जे आहे that is urinary output increase हवा त्यासाठी प्रमोट केले जाते through peritoneal dialysis. Again, next one point is alkalization of urine, that is treatment of barbiturate poisoning, in which last one alkalization of urine It produces significant increase in excretion of barbiturate. ज्यावेळेस आपण सोडियम bicarbonate alkalization of urine is done by this alkylating agent 3 to 5 gram per 50 ml added to 1 liter fluid. एका लिटर इंट्राव्हेनस फ्लुइड मध्ये 3 to 5 ग्रॅम ऍड करायचं per 50 ml साठी in alkalization of urine, which increases the excretion of urine, that is increase the urinary output. This is treatment of barbiturate poisoning. Then second category कोणती आहे? Second class.
Non-barbiturate.
Non-barbiturate.
Tell me the examples of non-barbiturate.
Benzodiazepine. Diazepine.
Examples of
Flurazepine.
examples of non-barbiturate.
Diazepam.
Diazepam,
Nitra.
flurazepine,
Is visible to all.
and
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Fluorazepam.
So second category of sedative and hypnotic is non-barbiturate, in which benzodiazepines. Screen is visible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
In non-barbiturate, benzodiazepines have hypnotic action and produces natural sleep without hangover. Benzodiazepines हे hypnotic action असते. Normally they produces natural sleep without hangover effect. Then second, these are the agents, they are relatively less toxic. Then benzodiazepines are anticonvulsant. म्हणजे in anticonvulsant category, benzodiazepines in their class, that is benzodiazepines act as anticonvulsant. Anticonvulsants means to treat the convulsion. Then all the benzodiazepines are relieve the toxic effect. Relieve means to remove the toxic effect. This is about non-barbiturate or benzodiazepine. Sound is audible to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Here we finish our chapter sedative and hypnotic. Second, sedative and hypnotic complete झाला इथे. In which we firstly see definition. What is sedative and hypnotic? After that, classification, then their pharmacology, then pharmacokinetic, side effects, therapeutic uses, preparations, barbiturate poisoning, their causes, symptoms, treatment. Non-barbiturate is second class of sedative and hypnotic. All of you up to this understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you
Yes,
means
ma'am.
all students.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any problem related to sedative and hypnotic?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Treatment of
No.
barbiturate poisoning. समजले सगळ्यांना?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Alkalization. In alkalization of urine, which agent is used? Sodium.
Sodium bicarbonate.
Okay, and diuretics. In forced diuresis, which diuretics used?
Mannitol.
Mannitol and
Cimetol.
Crisamide and mannitol.
Okay. Then dehydration is occur in forced diuresis. Then which fluid administered?
Intravenous fluid or administration.
Intravenous fluid are
ऍडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ इंट्राव्हेनस फ्लुइड हा पॉइंट का घेतला इन देअर ट्रीटमेंट बिकॉज ज्यावेळेस आपण फोर्स डायुरेसिस ट्रीटमेंट देतो देस डिहायड्रेशन इज ऑकर अँड इन ऑर्डर टू रिहायड्रेट द पेशंट त्या पेशंटला रिहायड्रेट करण्यासाठी देर इज IV फ्लुइड आर ऍडवाइस्ड. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द सेडेटिव्ह अँड हिप्नॉटिक. एनी डाऊट?
no ma'am.
On our next lecture, we start next chapter. Roll number 10.
Yes, ma'am.
What is sedative?
Sedative meaning relieve stress and tension.
These are the pharmacological agents. They relieve, when they administered, they relieve anxiety, stress, tension by producing drowsiness. This is main, producing drowsiness. Okay. (46)
Yes, ma'am.
Roll number 46.
Yes, ma'am.
What is hypnotic? Sound is audible to all?
Yes ma'am.
47.
Yes, ma'am.
What is hypnotic?
These are the pharmacological agent which
Pharmaceutical.
when the
Subject change kara.
pharmaceutical
Pharmacological
Pharma.
agents
when the administered the producing sleep
resembling or same to the natural sleep. जशी natural sleep असते तशी sleep hypnotics produce करतात.
yes ma'am.